Have you ever wondered how they hawk fufu for sales? In my side, in the Jebus, if they want to hawk fufu, that is prepared fufu like this, they're going to say, Fufu riro gbonade, era fufu riro, ongbona o, feli feli o. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to another beautiful video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make fufu for business in Nigeria. Let's ride on. Making fufu at home is so easy, but when it comes to making fufu for business, it's not a joking matter. And I've always wondered, these people that sells this fufu, how they make this fufu. So that's why I'm sharing with you today. This is a woman, not man, a woman making this fufu, and fufu is thick and much when they are going to make it for sell in the market. So I've always wondered, how do they make this fufu? So today, if you have been thinking how they make this fufu, I'm sharing with you how to make fufu for business. So this woman, she does sieve she peel her cassava herself, soak the cassava. That's why I've seen these big baths, and sieve the cassava, then getting a fufu. You can imagine the process she has to go through to make money. And after those process, the next thing is she gets the fufu and squeeze out the water. Then she prepared fufu. So she initially puts in water, and now she's adding the fufu, the raw fufu, to start the fufu process. Hello, my beautiful people. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name remains Oju Olakpe Space. I'm a YouTuber based in Ibadan, the largest city in West Africa. Welcome to my channel. And if you're my returning subscribers, I say thank you for the love. Oh, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always sharing my video. I say thank you so much. Let's move on to today's business. Fufu business is not something that is so easy to prepare, especially, like I said, when you are going to sell this fufu. It takes a lot of strength, and that is why I'm sharing with you the process. So she has to keep on turning. She initially added excess water, so when I asked her, she said no, she has to reduce the water because it has to give a particular texture. It shouldn't be too watery. It has to form this paste. So she has to keep on mixing, turning it, and you can see what she's using. That is the turning gari, that is the sticks. And imagine how heavy the sticks is. It's so big, and eat. Oh my God, that's the firewood eat. It's not something that is easy to withstand, but she uses clay to support the pot on it, so it reduces the rate at which the heat is coming direct to her. So the firewood, they have to every minute adjust it so the fire will increase. It needs constant heat on a very high heat to make sure that everything is getting prepared so well. Always wonder that, is it only uneducated women that goes for this type of business? Because I felt those of us that were educated will not want to face things like this, and those uneducated women, you see them with, I don't know how I'm going to put it, but to me, I've always felt, can someone that is educated go into this type of business? Okay, I'm going to make this fufu, wrap it up, and supply to my customer. I've never on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, see someone that is advertising that, oh, I'm making fufu and you can buy, I will supply to you. I thought about it. I felt okay. If it comes to peanuts, if it comes to kuli kuli, if it comes to plantain chips, chin chin, all these are so easy for women to like, okay, I'm going to package this and I'm going to market and sell outside. But when it comes to, I've noticed for this fufu, I've moved around, I've checked places, and even in a place that I found, let me be sincere with you, the lady I met there, she was educated, but she was not making this fufu. She said, no, my level don't pass to make this kind of fufu. It's for those mamas. I was like, guy. So does that mean that if there are no old women who won't get fufu in the market? Because it's not everybody that have this strength to make this fufu. Fufu preparation at home is not something that is so too easy for me, because I do make fufu. But at the same time, sometimes I enjoy, oh, let me buy from outside because of the stress. How much? Let me just patronize these women and buy and give to my family. But at the same time, I wonder that, okay, can this thing, can educated woman, what is the taboo when it comes to educated women going into this type of business? One, is it because it's strenuous job, or is because an educated woman should not be found doing this type of job? I don't understand. And when I spoke to this woman, she's really making money and she's doing very well. When I say very well, very well. This fufu she's making, this particular fufu, after we've calculated the price and how much she's going to realize from this fufu alone, my sister, you could imagine she'll be making around 10,000 naira. And this is for afternoon shift. She has made one in the morning. She made morning and evening. So the morning on, she has finished selling. This is the second set that she's making. So this one is for nights, those that wants to eat fufu in the evening, or that want to take fufu as dinner. So the business is so profitable that she's making 10 to 15,000 naira just in a day. You could imagine. Put it in the comment section what you think about educated women going into fufu making business. Oh, I've seen men make this fufu, but that is Igbo fufu. That brought me to another topic in this fufu issue. We have our fufu in the western part and fufu in the eastern part. The eastern part, they love pounding their fufu. It's a different method. It's a different style entirely. So this fufu you are even seeing, this is not how it's being prepared in some part of Nigeria. So as I'm sharing this for fufu making business, some doesn't make their fufu like this. Some pound their fufu. But in our side here, the western side of Nigeria, we don't pound fufu. We make fufu. That is from the eat like we are doing now. That is how the fufu is being made. And one thing about our fufu is softer than the eastern part of Nigerian fufu. The eastern part of Nigerian fufu, whoo, they call it akpu. This akpu, my God, is hard. Very, very hard. In fact, if you're an heavy eater, if you just buy 2 wraps of akpu, you will get belleful, you get satisfied instant. All you just need to be doing after eating the akpu is drink water, enough water. And this fufu, a lot of people enjoyed it. I love enjoying this my fufu with egusi soup. Oh, egusi Ijebu. Once I go to my hometown like this, that's constant kill. We have a particular customer that buy this fufu from, and we also make egusi at home. So even if I'm coming back to Ibadan, I have to buy from them and bring down to my house. Imagine. So that's how much I love fufu Naija, na sure banker. One interesting thing about fufu that I enjoy so much is fufu doesn't get spoiled easily. If you make fufu today, in the next 3-4 days, your fufu can still be very good, especially when they make it very well. I had a neighbor then, when I was in Lagos. She's an Igbo woman. She was having a fufu of 1 year. I said, wait, happen now. How will you have a fufu for 1 year? And she said it doesn't go bad. It doesn't get spoiled. I was like, that is the Igbo fufu. I was wondering they make that type of fufu. And when she wants to prepare, what she will do is bring it out, put it on it inside the pot, hot water. And after it has boiled, she will bring it out inside a mortar, pound it, and serve it so fresh. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. Don't forget to always subscribe to Ojolakpe Space. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.